The region's foreign exchange serves to make more resources available for investment and development. In foreign exchange reserves, this involves countries in a region combining their foreign exchange reserves. For foreign exchange reserve as assets held by central banks in different currencies often used to balance payments and influence exchange rate. Pooling these reserves can create a larger pool of resources for investment in developing projects within the region. Exercise leadership in global decision making to sustain the open global trade and financial system that have supported a half century of unparalleled economic development. Global leadership in decision making. This emphasizes the importance of regional entities taking a leadership role in global discussion related to trade and finance. The goal is to maintain open trade and financial system that have historically supported economic growth. This can involve advocating for policies that promote fair trade, reduce barriers to investment, and ensure stability in the global financing system. Connected infrastructure and collaborate in inclusive development to reduce inequalities within and across economies and thus to strengthen support for pro-growth policies. This focuses on building interconnected infrastructure network within the region such as transportation, energy, and digital infrastructure. It also highlights the need for inclusive development which aims to reduce inequalities both within and between countries. This can involve policies that promote equal opportunities, invest in education and skill training, and support marginalized groups. Create mechanism to manage cross-border health, safety, and environmental issue better. This involves establishing regional cooperation to address cross-border issues related to health, safety, and the environment. This can include coordinating disease surveillance and control efforts, managing environmental risks, and ensuring safety standards across the region. Mechanisms may include early warning system, joint responses strategies, and information sharing agreements.